Hello, this is Algebra 2 on the laws of logarithms, Unit 2-1. So, here are some basic rules. Let b be the base of a logarithmic function as long as b is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. M and n will be positive numbers or variables. So, if I have log base b of mn, then that equals the log base b of m plus the log base b of m. If I have log of m over n, well, that equals the log of m minus n. And if I have log of m to the k power, that's the same as k times the log of m. And so we're going to be expanding these functions first. So, the log base 2 of 5ab. Well, I'm multiplying and I want to expand. So this becomes log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of b. They were multiplied. When they're multiplied, you separate them and then add them. Number 2. Well, this is going to be the log base 5 of 8. Division means we're subtracting the log base 5 of x. Multiplication means add, division means subtract. This is all multiplying, so we need it to be subtracted. So it's going to be the log base 2 of 6 plus the log base 2 of x squared plus the log base 2 of y cubed. Now we're going to use the third rule, which is if I raise a log to a power, I can just move that to the front. So that means that this is the log base 2 of 6 plus 2 times the log base 2 of x plus 3 times the log base 2 of y. And now for our fourth one, well, this is division, so that means that the log base 3 of 4a squared minus the log base 3 of bc squared. Well, I can break this up into the log base 3 of 4 plus the log base 3 of a squared minus the log base 3 of b plus the log base 3 of c squared. I put this in parentheses because it's minus this, which means it's minus both. And now exponents. Log base 3 of 4 plus 2 log base 3 of a minus the log base 3 of b. I'm also going to distribute my negative sign, so minus the log base minus 2 log base 3 of c. So it gets pretty long. First, I did my division, made that subtract. Then I expanded the multiplication, got add. Then I used the third rule and expanded and moved the exponents to the front, as well as distributing this negative sign. Let's go and go to the next page. Now, when there's no base, we understood the base is 10. So this is a common logarithm, which basically means you don't need to write it if it's just log. So here, we'll square root. Another way to write square root is to the 1/2 power. So this equals log of a to the 5th over b to the 1/2 power, which is 1/2 of the log a to the 5th over b. Go ahead and break up the division. 1/2 times the log of a to the 5th minus the log of b. Move that exponent. So it's 1/2. Sorry, I forgot to move the exponent. Of 5 log a minus log b. So that was expanding. Now we're going to use those same rules to condense. I'm actually going to work them backwards. Well, this becomes the log base 5 of x cubed. And the plus becomes multiply. And there we go. Over here, I don't see any exponents. I don't see anything in front, so there are no exponents. There's just a minus, which becomes division. The log base 2 of x over 3. Here we have this fraction. So that's the log of the square root of m minus the log of n cubed. So we moved our exponents. Now I'm going to deal with the subtraction sign. So that becomes the log base 6 of the square root of m over n cubed. Go ahead and look at this. Well, this is on the outside, so that means it's going to be cubing everything. So I'm going to go ahead and wait and do that and do my division first. So this is 3 times log base 2 of a over b. Now I move my exponent. So this is the log base 2 of a over b cubed. And now for number 10. First, I'm going to go ahead and do my exponents. Log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of m cubed minus the log base 3 of n squared, which becomes log base 3 of 4 m cubed divided by n squared. The plus was multiplication, the subtraction was division. Let's go ahead and move on to the next page. Here we we have the change of base log formula, because the thing is that if I want to change my base, I need to know how to do this. So this is how we do it. We want to use the change of base formula to evaluate the following to 3 decimal places. Well, our calculator understands log. Well, like I said earlier, if there's no number, then it's log base 10. So really, we want to make all of this into log base 10. So this equals our regular log this is log base 10 of 25 over the log base 10 of 2. So it's not A that we want to turn into the 10. It's B that we want to turn into 10. So in order to get this, we can just put that in the calculator. So the log of 25 over the log of 2. And we get 4.644 because we want 3 decimal places. So 4.644. Let's go into the next one. This is going to be log of 12 over the log of 5. So log of 12 over log of 5, which is 1.544. So with the log of 5 over the log of 0.5, it's the log of 5 over the log of 0.5, which is negative 2.322. And for our last one, we want the log of negative 4 over the log of 2. So log of negative 4 over the log of 2. And here it says non-real answer. Well, the reason is that m and n both have to be positive. Because that's negative, there is no solution to this problem. So, if either of these numbers are negative, then we just have no solution because we get a non-real answer. So this was topic 2-1. All you need to do is follow the rules given to you at the very beginning. And these 3 rules will get you through the entire assignment. Good luck and have a good day.